hey, it helps if I hit record. So, today we're going to do a not-so-traditional pozole. And right now we got a little pork. I'm sauteing my pork. I want to brown it a little. Not into boiled pork. Well, it'll get boiled anyway. Yeah, we got pork. On that, we got some chopped up onions. Okay, now we got some minced garlic, because you gotta have some garlic. Ah, yes, our onions are getting a little translucent. And the pork's mostly cooked. So, I'm not into spending hours and hours cooking. And I don't want to do a lot of dishes. So what we got? We got a couple cups of chicken bouillon. Throw that in there. And got a can of hominy. It's gold. I wanted white, but hey, you get what you can get during the gin zombie apocalypse here. And that was drained and rinsed thoroughly. And you got Las Palmas enchilada sauce. We'll do about half the can. Ah, yeah. I'm going to throw in a couple bay leaves. And a little cilantro. Oh, is there anything else I want? Oh, yeah, what the heck? Only because I want to hurt myself. Throw a couple of these chili pie. We'll make it 2 chili pies. That was a little thick, so we'll do like that. Oh yeah. Voila. We'll pop it on there. Put it on 20 minutes for soup. And we'll be back. Ding! And 20 minutes later. Oh yeah. There's a bay leaf. Another bay leaf.
Who's this guy?
Oh, you'll have to wait. Oh yeah. Wonderbar. Hack up some cabbage, some radishes. Hey, it's good as it is.